Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. The cryptocurrency market and the stock market not doing as well as we would have hoped. Stock market's okay. Stock market ended up higher today, so the stock market was fine. Crypto, on the other hand, seems to be coming down still this afternoon. We've got AMC soaring today. My goodness, dude. Frank was almost a little nervous there, weren't you? Towards the end of the day, dude, we were talking about no way it reaches 750, and it was almost possible there. AMC closing the day at $7.20. My goodness, a 17% gain. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 971 right now. Down 4.71% on the day. GameStop sitting at 2609 at the close. Bitcoin 16.6 at the moment. And following this afternoon descending trend line right here. Will it bounce back up, or is it going to fall and curl back over and continue down? We've got the NASDAQ soaring another 1.88% today. After, my goodness, a 7% gain yesterday. It seems like we may be retesting 11.6 here. We broke through this level of resistance, and we may be on our way up to 11.6. Biora Therapeutics continuing to come down, but had a nice gain today, 7.27% higher. Which talked about AMC. Ethereum, Shiba, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin all lower on the day. Sundial closing the day up 8.33%. Mullen Auto down 7% today. CEI closing higher at 5.38%. We've got the SPY closing roughly 1% higher today. BBIG, 83.5 cents. Highcroft Mining, 84.7 cents. We've got Netflix closing the day at $2.90, up 5%. Terra Luna Classic sitting right around that 18,500 point per coin range. We've got QQQ, my gosh, dude, closing up 1.84% today. Absolutely wild. And then Ape actually gaining 16%. After some major losses that we've seen over the last couple of days, Ape bouncing back up to $1.63. Now, $1.63 is still very low. Yes, I get it. But it is higher than the $1.25 that we saw a couple days ago here. And an Ape bouncing nicely off those low with 2 days of gains as CPI apparently continues to inspire investors. Let's watch Bitcoin into the afternoon here and see if Bitcoin does anything. Overall crypto, that was supposed to be Big Weeble. Overall cryptocurrency market getting hit hard today as investors continue to be concerned about the centralized exchanges falling off there. But nonetheless, I think I forgot to do shoutouts. We got Frank, 1776, Moji, J Bones, Tim, Moji, Pika Power, Tim, Moji, Frank, Ryan. How you doing, man? Pika Power, Frank, Pika, Moji, Frank, J Bones, Bronson, J Bones, Moji, Frank, J Bones, Ryan, Frank, Tim, King Mamba, Kilipesia, Bronson, King Mamba, 11 and Samanino, Moji, TS, Simon, J Bones, and Arthur. TS. Thank you very much for the super chat. Are millionaires made now? Dude, I'm telling you right now, if you want to be a millionaire, yes, this is the period of time that you have to suffer through if you want to be made into a millionaire. If you're currently a millionaire and watching the prices fall down, it might be very, very, very difficult to watch that happen. But nonetheless, this is the time that millionaires are made. These bear markets will determine your wealth after the bull market returns. Gaha something. Your bro. You're my bro. Your bro, my bro, Clay bro. Oh, your bro, my bro, Clay bro. Gotcha, Arthur. Hope we all make the money we hope to make, no matter big or small. Absolutely, Arthur. Ooh, spam something, Simon. Yes. Yo, Notos. How you doing? Bots everywhere, man. They're all over the place. Stop spam the chat. Right? I don't even see Rozzy anywhere. What is going on right now? Hey, King Mamba. Hello, everyone. Happy Friday. Danelle, happy Friday to you. Who put me on timeout? Rozzy. Did Rozzy get a timeout? Did Rozzy get a timeout right now? Interesting. Rozzy, I have no idea, man. I didn't even see it. You on timeout, dude? Well, I don't know what you did, Rozzy. You in timeout for something? Jonathan, what's going on? I have stopped following AMC YouTube videos for the past few months. Jonathan, probably lowered your stress level, didn't it? I'm sure it did. And he's back in now. Well, dude, you're back in for the punishment, man. I like it. One of the mods, Rozzy. One of the mods. Great. We got a Rozzy. What? We got a Rozzy 1 to 100,000. Something. I don't even know what's going on right now. Somebody got Rozzy. There's only 34 mods left in here. That's it. 34 mods left. That's all, guys. Oh my goodness. I think sometimes you guys know more about what's going on in the chat than I know what's going on in the chat. Which one of you? Rozzy. I actually didn't even see you in the chat at all, man. I didn't even see you in the chat. Was Rozzy acting up? Was Rozzy acting up? Let's see. Bro Clay, I have back pain. Darn. From carrying this entire crypto market yourself. I feel you, I feel you, Ryan. I feel you. It's a heavy load, but somebody's got to do it. It's clear, bro. Wasn't sweating close. Took my 80. Oh, yeah. Nah, I forgot. You did take your 80% profit. That is correct, man. Long-term retirement portfolio closed the day up 2.46%. Overall, only 5 positions still in the red. Very nice, Frank. That is absolutely awesome. Still something. Still very the same. 50 shades. Or 500 shares I purchased. Oh, I still have the same 500 shares I purchased back in February 2021. $9.78 average. Nice, Jonathan. Yeah, I actually still have the same shares that I purchased way back when as well. All I want for Christmas is a fake Claybro and a bag full of LUNC. Nice. Well, you can have the real Claybro, Pika. You don't get the fake Claybro. You get the real Pika. Rozzy has an invisible wrench. Rozzy does have an invisible wrench. No, bro, something I know I missed it. Rozzy might be a mo. 50 shades. Where's your mind at, Clay? My mind is with Sarah Destekroy. Nick F. with Sarah Destekroy. 50 shades of Sarah Destekroy. I don't think Pika or Tim would do that. Maybe not. I was serious, our bro Clay. Being Clay Bro's bodyguard ain't easy. I'm telling you, Ryan. It is not easy, man. What's going on, troll bro? How you doing? Batman died. Rip Kevin Conroy, the definitive voice of Batman for over 30 years, died at 66 years. Dang, antics. It's pretty young, man. It's pretty young. This is the kind of stuff that upsets antics. I've never seen antics upset before. This is the kind of stuff that upsets antics. Gotcha. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Patrick says, "Hey, per your suggestion in the previous stream," oh my god, "initial donation towards the Claybro needs a CPA and fiduciary fund. Let's get it." Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. We finally have a Claybro fund for the Claybro needs a CPA and fiduciary fund. Gosh, dude, there are so many funds right now. I'm glad we got this CPA to run the fiduciary fund. This is perfect, man. Perfect. Oh, look who's in here, baby. Oil tipped. What's going on, man? 17 months, bro. Look at that, man. My goodness. Oil tipped, how you doing, man? Loving it right now. Congrats, 17 months. Heck yeah. Welcome back, bro. Oh, yes. Congratulations, oil tipped. Yes. Congrats. Pika, you sit. Woo! Patrick, thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the coffee. Patrick, man, thank you very much for the water. Gosh, dude, it feels so good to take a drink of water after screaming. Feels so good. Patrick, man, thank you very much for the water. Absolutely appreciate that super chat. Loving it right now, man. Thank you. Mr. Simon OG still in here. Yes. Mr. Simon is an OG, and he still is in here every single day because he already knows we're growing our portfolios together. I want to see something really quick. Hold on. I got to use my phone. I got to see something. Let me click on this here. Give me 2 seconds. All right, we're going to be back. All right, and I think it is charging, so I think we're good to go at the moment. Awesome, congrats, all tips. Seriously, Roz, you skinned that in? Somebody maybe, psych! I don't even know what's going on. Look at that mic. I'm so proud. Thank you very much for being proud. Oil tipped. You're the man, dude. Now it's time to get more. Get more of every... Oh, I bought more since it's payday. No toast. Very good, dude. I ain't about to go nowhere. I will find who did this. And then you guys are all boom, in trouble. J-Bones for Wayne Grow. Wayne Grow, man. Hey, you remember the old lick and stick technique there, Wayne Grow? Gotcha, J-Bones. Dude, thank you very much. You take that banana, you tilt the head back a little bit, you lick it, and you stick it. Oh, J-Bones, dude, thank you very much for the lick and stick technique. Absolutely love it, man. Hopefully everybody else in here loves it as well. J-Bones, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. AMC from Wednesday close to today's close, 5-11, 720, up 40%. Jonathan, yeah, it's ridiculous, dude. In the overall market, the NASDAQ is up like 9 or 10% over the last couple of days. We've seen some ridiculous gains just in 2 days based on that CPI data. Now, CPI continuing to fall, it more than expected. A lot of people are believing that all of our economic worries are over. If you believe that, then this could be the market bottom. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you. If you believe the economic concerns and economic worries are over, yeah, it's probably the market bottom there. However, if you don't believe that, we could have some further trouble ahead. All right, well, it's obvious that Bitcoin is not going to continue following that trend line right there. That is not the case. I do want to see what this is doing. Okay, I may close out of one of those positions right now that I have trading, and let's base it off this next candle. If we move higher here, we'll take a little scalp. If we move lower than there, we'll be good. Next candle is going to figure it out for us. If it continues up, we move up. Oil tipped, watch this. Tim says, King Turkey, let's get it. Oh, Tim, thank you very much for the King Turkey. For Matty Oil Tipped, welcome back, brah. You take the salt shaker, you pour the salt shaker out on the ground, man, and you throw it over your shoulder for good luck. And because it tastes so good, you just gotta... But every time it gets in your eyes, you gotta keep it closer to your mouth. Otherwise, it goes in the eyes right there. Simoninho, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. You guys are wild. And I'm sure Oil Tipped really appreciates all of this as well. I'm going to do this really quick because we are getting another green line. Go take some profit there. We'll be good to go. And nice. Not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. All right, cool. No worries on that one then. Good to go here. Coming back around. Coming back around. Good to go. Where we at? Camera, got it. Sup, bro, fam? You had the best clear emoji. You best clear emoji too. Something, I don't even know what's going on. I'm streaming this on my phone. My wife just asked me, who's making the turkey? JJ. Tells you something, doesn't it, man? It's a good freaking turkey noise, dude. It's a good turkey noise. If you don't know what's going on, you gotta hit it with that turkey. Oh, yeah. Batman tribute on vengeance. Rest in peace. Ryan. It's true, man. It's true. Rest in peace, Batman. Rest in peace. That was a moment of silence. We're good to go. Shiba and Doge have big surprise for future Bitcoin. It will go to 0. Elvira. What? Shiba and Doge have big surprise for future Bitcoin is will go to 0. Not sure I exactly understood it, if Bitcoin's going to 0, if Shiba Inu coin's going to 0, but either one of those would be, yes, a very large surprise. Razi! Thank you very much for another King Turkey, Razi. It is the... Thank you very much, Razi. You guys like the King Turkey, man. I love it, Razi, dude. Thank you. Not sure who Oil Tipped is, but let's give him a little pickle, man. You take the pickle up out of the jar. You dip the pickle and make sure all the stuff comes off of it. When you're done dipping the pickle, you just... Ooh. Thank you very much. Outdo, bro. Really appreciate the little pickle there, man. Little pickles are good. Little pickles are good, guys. Yes, that was a great Kevin. Yes, the great Kevin Conroy passed away, man. Yes, yes, yes. I did not see it, but apparently you guys are not lying to me. Hoyt, you are wild. Simon, you are wild, man. My headphones, bro. Lorenzo. If you see a King Turkey come across the screen, you got to turn the headphones down a little bit, dude. Only way around it. Bet Chipro hiding about now. Chipro is probably hiding about right now, but there's no way Chipro can hear me. I'm upstairs, man. There's no way Chipro can hear me down under the ground when I'm upstairs. Notos, I got a 23-pound turkey out in the barn. He doesn't know. Dang, dude. Tim, I'm going to tell him. Tim. How do you do King Turkey and corny unicorn impersonations, but not Michael Corleone and Batman Ryan? I guess I just got to keep the expectations extremely low. You know what I mean? Like, if I keep the expectations extremely low, then I can typically exceed them. But if I start to do really, really crazy, like, good impersonations or something, then it's not going to be good for me. Let's see. Was that a Velasquez pickle? It could have been to know. Did it look like one? Could have been one. Let's see. I love little pig. Hey, me too, Rozzy. Ed Turkey was being chased by a lion. He very well could have been. I'm Claybro in Batman voice. You're not Claybro. I'm Claybro, man. I'm Claybro. You're not Claybro. Guys, let's see with the crypto market right now. Not doing too bad with Bitcoin bouncing back, Shiba Inu coin bouncing back, Dogecoin bouncing back. We've got Ethereum bouncing back. If you come out here and look at the coins that we're kind of concerned about right now, Solana bouncing back slightly. We gotta update this here. I don't know if this graph is actually updating right now. Solana bouncing back slightly at the moment from the lows that it was hitting a little bit earlier, sitting at 1567 at the moment. We want to look at FTT token sitting at 262, basically dumping off a couple of hours ago and sitting sideways since then. If it falls through this line down here at 266, you could absolutely see a pretty steep sell-off in FTX there. So I would watch that. If you guys are thinking about buying it, if it bounces off this line, could be a decent buy. However, with everything we know going on with FTX right now, it might be a very good time to sell FTX. So consider that. It is at support, but a breakthrough could trigger an even further decline on FTX token. Nonetheless, there, man, we are definitely seeing some volatility in a lot of the cryptocurrency coins, especially the ones that are attached to this FTX decline, man. FTX is just getting destroyed over the last couple of days. My goodness. I didn't hear the crunch. That's because I didn't bite it. It's because I didn't bite it to know. That's why you didn't hear no crunch. Straight up, just whoop. Get a good feeling for crypto around Thanksgiving and Black Friday. Don't know why, but just do. Well, next level, the good news is you could say your good feeling is that we're going to get even better prices, or we're going to see some gains around that time. Solana bounce is done, not financial advice. Getting ready to tank, is that what you're saying? Tim, you saying that the Solana bounce is getting ready to die out? What's up, people? How y'all doing? Declan doing very good. JJ, man, thank you very much for the super chat. I tried to drool, man, but I just couldn't make myself drool. I don't know why. Where's Queen Pika? Pika, are you in here? Hey, bro, it's me, Damien from Barcelona. I like your thoughts on the next week's price prediction on LUNC and Doge. Damien, man, I'm telling you, it is, with the volatility we're seeing right now, it is near impossible to gauge a price prediction. Dude, we could have Coinbase come out tomorrow and tell us that they're done. We could have KuCoin come out and tell us the same thing. Binance could get into some trouble. There's so much that could happen over the next, 24 hours that a 1 week time frame is extremely difficult to gauge there. Ryan! Thank you very much for the super chat, Ryan. Absolutely killing it today. Guys, you guys are absolutely awesome, man. So how does this FTX affect Voyager? I don't think that FTX is going to be able to buy Voyager, man. I don't think FTX is going to be able to buy Voyager at all. So they're probably going to look at that and either take back their offer or somebody else is going to have to come in. In my opinion, it's going to have to be somebody else that comes in and ends up buying Voyager there. I really don't see how FTX can afford Voyager if they're going bankrupt. Hey bro, what are you smoking? Solana has dumped from 16.7 to 15.67, and make this Batman tribute day to Batman impersonations. This dude really wants me to do some impersonations, doesn't he? Oh, no, it was down. Look, I was just looking at that little bump like over the last hour. Very similar to what Bitcoin is doing right now. That's my face trying to figure out the box spreads. I don't even know what the one JJ sent. Clay, you make up for the sun not coming out today. Danelle, it has been a very rainy day today, hasn't it? It's been a very rainy day. David, thank you very much for the super chat. David says, happy Veterans Day to all who have served or are currently serving. And Clay, bro, keep it up. David, man, absolutely. I second that. Happy Veterans Day to all of the veterans out there. Absolutely appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for your service. And David is definitely correct on that one, man. Throw a little shout out to all the veterans on Veterans Day. Loving it. David, man, thank you. Let's see. Danelle, you make up for the sun not shining today. This is true. This is true, Tim. Yo, Clay, how you doing? Pablo, I'm doing good, man. What's your price prediction about LUNC? What do you think LUNC will be over 2 years? Well, I'll tell you this, dude. 2 years, I'm hoping that the bull market returns by then. 2 years is roughly the 2024 to 2025 time frame, and I don't think that that's going to be impossible to see some decent gains coming in that time frame. A lot of stuff could happen by then. Of course, the bear market could continue if we don't have all this stuff sorted out that's causing the problems right now. So it is going to be interesting to see if we do get a bull market or not. If we get a bull market and we are rebuilding the blockchain, I think Terra Luna Classic is going to soar in value. What price point am I looking at? Dude, I really don't think a penny is impossible to see prices around a penny. Now, if you're sitting there and you're looking 2 years out and the developers still haven't developed anything, but they're still sitting there trying to get $4 million out of a wallet, and they're still trying to skim some money off the burns, and we've only burned like 80 billion Terra Luna Classic. I don't think it's going to be doing that well. I think people would give up before that. Like, if that continues to go on, I think people would give up before a 2-year time frame. So it really does depend a lot on developers and the overall bull market returning. Happy Veterans Day, fellow vets. Love it. Moji, thank you, man. Simon, you beat me to it. What did Simon say? You, Danelle. Yes, Danelle, you and Peekaboo. Absolutely, man. Hey, bro, next Monday, I'm splitting my cash secure puts, 650 strike, earning 32 cents each, and $6 strike, earning 18 cents each, using premium from the first batch to buy more from the second batch, depending on the open. Frank, nice. Dude, Frank just keeps rolling and rolling and rolling. Frank is destroying it right now. A Black Friday crypto sale, 99.9% off everything. Dude, if we get another 99.9% discount on things, that would be crazy. If Coinbase announces that they're going under, I think that we will get a 99.9% discount on everything. Lorenzo, man, thank you for the mood. I don't know why I'm doing this, but mood. Thank you very much for the mood. Lorenzo, man, thank you very much for the mood. Batman tribute today. I'm Batman. Pretty good Batman, right? I'm Batman. I'm pretty sure that's a good Batman. What do you guys? I'm Batman. I think it sounds dead on. Ryan. Thank you very much for the super chat, man. Oh my gosh. I just used TTY. Oh god, this dude used TTYL. What is this, man? 2004? What the heck's happening here? LUNC gets a penny. Timmy is buying a fire truck, automatic weapons, and commercial grade fireworks. I will come watch that fireworks show, Tim. Loving it. Why a fire truck? Because Tim wants a fire truck, dude. We need bro coin before the bull market returns. We do need bro coin before the bull market returns next level. You know why? Wouldn't it be sick to make 100x gains in bro coin? I'll tell you, I'd sell. I'd be selling. I'd take some gains, man. I'd take some profit off that. I'm here. Pika is here. Pika, thank you very much for being in here. To put out the explosion, quite possibly my stream's behind. Well, lag it up. Let's see. I always wanted to drive a fire truck. There you go, man. So buy that fire truck. Simon, thank you very much for the super chat. Simon says, yo, don't spam the chat and don't type like a bot or my algorithm will catch your chat and delete it, okay? By the way, roses for our queen, Lil Pika. Roses for you, Pika. Thank you very much for being in here. And yes, Simon, you guys behave now. Simon is going to catch you. He's got an algorithm running right now, and he's going to catch you if you're acting like a bot. So don't be acting like no bot out there. You got to get a deeper voice with a, I'm Batman. I'm Batman. What about that one? I'm Batman. Tomorrow is my girl Brittany's birthday. Oh, I got you, Keith. I got you. Is she ready? Is she ready for this? Brittany. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brittany. Happy birthday to you. Brittany, hopefully enjoy your birthday tomorrow. Do something fun. I think Keith said you guys were getting ice cream for sure, but don't know if he meant tonight or tomorrow. I have to ask him about that one. Hopefully she heard that. She's about to hate me. She's not about to hate you. Guys, blow it up for Brittany. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brittany. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Brittany. Absolutely loving it, guys. Welcome, Pika. Happy birthday. Yes, loving that right there. Clear, Robbie, son. Oh, God. I promise I'm not selling Brocoin for a 10% gain. 100x gain? Yeah, I'll sell it for a 100x gain, but not a 10% gain. What are you talking about? No way. Do you think we will get new centralized exchanges within the next 2 years? Once the bull market starts? For example, like Elon or Bezos start one? Yes. Yes. So, Elon, I don't know if Elon will start his own exchange, right? But Elon has indicated that him and CZ are going to be working together on Twitter to integrate crypto wallets into the Twitter platform. I think they're kind of pushing that project down the road right now to kind of stop the bleeding. Twitter's losing $4 million a day or something crazy. And they're going to do some work on that before they get those crypto wallets out there. But yes, so I don't think that Elon is necessarily going to be creating an exchange. But I do think that people are going to be able to hold their crypto, store their crypto, send their crypto, basically what you can do with an exchange on Twitter, which is kind of crazy to think, right? But there's been talk of that. So I do think that Elon will get involved with crypto in that way. 6 Delta says, yep, not now, something I don't even know. Clebro, a little more with the throat. Okay. I'm Batman. I'm Batman. I'm Batman. JJ, what about that, dude? That's about as much throat as you could possibly get. Ryan, thank you very much for the super chat, Ryan. Loving it, man. Ryan is killing it today, dude. Thank you, Ryan. Thinking about buying Solana, but holding out to see if it falls even more over the weekend. Yeah, Declan, just be careful with Solana, dude. Solana and FTX are not in a good position right now, man. Solana and FTX are in a very volatile position. Solana does look very cheap, sitting at 1581 at the moment, knowing that it was much higher, and it could bounce, right? You could be seeing a decent bounce in Solana. But knowing that it's at 1581 right now, and it was literally at $9, I think 2 days ago, the volatility should not necessarily scare you, but just be cautious of the volatility. Solana and FTX could just get destroyed at basically any time. Nailed it! Nailed it! Oh, yes. Now I know how to do it. Are you ready, JJ? I'm Batman. I'm Batman. I'm Batman. Oh, God. JJ, dude, thank you very much for the super chat. Love it. And you guys already know that I am Batman. Clever, I sent you funds for a fun fund, but YouTube took forever to send it. So just make sure to have some fun with the fun fund. Emma D, I will definitely have fun with a fun fund. Anybody else having fun with a fun fund over the fun weekend? I'm going to have fun with a fun fund. M&D on the fun fund. Thank you very much, M&D. BTT last night. Boom. Rocket today. Crap. Patrick. Initial donation to the Claybro Fund. God, this dude, man. Initial donation to the Claybro Fund. Now we started a Claybro. I am so glad I have a fund manager to fund. Now I need a fund manager too. I'm so glad I have a fund manager to manage all of the fun funds that we've got going on, because these funds are getting out of control. There's so many funds that I can't even keep track of them. So I am glad that we've got that fund manager to go out there and have some fun with the funds. What did I say? Nobody knows. Pyramidi. Yeah, thank you, Patrick, right there, man. Pika. Well, if it isn't my favorite little murderer. Pika, I didn't know Pika was a murderer. I think falling of Solana is not over, but under 50 cents by February, my personal opinion. Razi, it very well could be. Moji! We are adding funds. We're adding fund to have fun. This adds to the fun fund because we're having so much fun with the fun fund. We're going to have so much fun with the fun fund over the fun fund. This is fun, man. This is fun. Moji, we're adding funds. Have fun, Clay, bro. Why not? KO Bets. Thank you for adding to the fun fund, man. Everybody's adding to this fun fund. I don't even know what to do with fun fund anymore, man. Fun funds. Fun funds are fun, but fun funds aren't fun. Funding funds might not be fun, but the fun funds are for fun. My gosh, for the fun fund, yes! Oh my gosh, I think I just scratched my forehead with this crown right there. We'll hide the scratch like a true king. Funds for everyone. Fun funds for everyone. Thank you very much, Pika, for the super chat. Did I scratch my forehead? It's all right. I can't see it. We're good to go. Pika, thank you very much for the fun fund. KO Bets, thank you very much for the fun fund. Gee, thank you very much for the funds, for the fun fund, man. Those fun funds are growing because they are fun, and when you're having fun, it grows, baby. It grows. Definitely. Bones, we can manage the fun funds. Yes, J Bones, for sure. Currently holding Solana. Do you think it will survive or get out and run? Well, look, dude, I can't necessarily say get out and run. I do think it will survive to some extent, but I don't know, like, to what degree. You know, I don't know how low it's going to fall before it settles. And I don't think all of this nonsense is over with yet. I think we got another exchange that'll go down. I truly do, man. Declan, thank you very much for the super chat. Declan says, appreciate all the work and support you give the community and your team. Just wanted to say thank you for help building my portfolio. Declan, dude, thank you for being in here. And I know right now, man, I know right now that the market sucks. And every day we're seeing loss after loss after loss after loss. And it is tough. But, dude, the same way we're seeing nothing but losses right now, we will see nothing but gains when the bull market returns. So if we can outlast the losses, dude, we are going to be doing very well. So don't give up, Declan. JJ, I'll fund the fun. Dude, JJ's fun in the fun, man. JJ, fun in that fun. Fun for everyone. JJ, man, thank you very much for the fun funds. I'm no fun, but I like Funyuns Fund. We got a Funyuns Fund right now, man. Funyuns are good. He's no fun, but he likes the Funyuns Fund. Outdo, bro. Thank you very much for the Funyuns Fund. I cannot remember. I cannot remember the last time I had Funyuns. Who has had Funyuns here the most recently? Now, that's a good question. When is the last time you had Funyuns? I know mine has been years since the last time I've had a Funyun. So I'm probably out of the equation. Who is the most recent person to have Funyuns in here? It's actually a decent question. For fun in the fun, from now on, it'll be a lot of fun. Yes, it will, Pika. It is going to be the most fun. The fun has spoken for the funds to be fun. Joel Moneda! 10 months, baby. Loving it. You either die a hero or you live long enough to see yourself become a villain. Dang, man. It's epic. It is epic advice right there. And it is true, Joel. It is true, man. So that is very good. Inspiring, ladies and gentlemen. Joel, thank you very much for being a member for 10 months, dude. I love it. What's your thoughts on FTX and Voyager? Well, dude, like, you want my full thoughts, or do you want my thoughts on FTX buying Voyager? I don't think FTX is going to buy Voyager anymore. I think that the fact that they're going bankrupt too is going to mean that they can't buy Voyager. Like, my personal thoughts on them is I hate thieves and I hate scammers and stuff like that. And I think that's exactly what we're seeing there, man, is the CEO of these companies literally not caring at all about your money and my money and anybody else's money and using it for whatever they want. No different, man. Just stealing it from you. And the bad thing is they lost it, right? They stole it and then they lost it. So nobody's got it now. I think it's extremely stupid. And I don't like those people. I don't like those people at all. That's my personal opinion on FTX and Voyager. If you're talking about the merger, I don't think that that's going to happen anymore. I did not see what Notos says. What exchange do you think will go down? Notos, I'll answer that in 2 seconds. I got to catch up on these things right here. For the fun, just don't be a fun and have fun. Now, was that fund? Is that a word that I think that should start? Oh, come on now, Tim. I don't even know. You guys might be having to say some bad word here with fund. I don't even know what that means. But yes, I will be fun. I promise on that one. Fun funds for roulette wheel. Nice, man, Patrick. Roulette wheel's got the fun funds right there. Thank you very much, Patrick. Thank you very much, Tim. Loving it, man. You guys are absolutely awesome. My gosh. Hey, you are. I'm a Funyun. Dude, I'm not a Funyun, man. Come on, I don't even know what that means. Up for a challenge, Clay. Try saying Lay's Wavy Funyuns, onion-flavored Funyuns, onion-flavored rings. How fast? Lay's Wavy Funyuns, onion-flavored... Lay's Wavy Funyuns, onion-flavored Funyuns, onion-flavored rings. Lay's Wavy Funyuns, Lay's Wavy Funyuns, onion-flavored Funyuns, onion-flavored rings. Yeah, it's a little difficult, but not crazy. Lay's Wavy Funyuns, onion-flavored Funyuns, onion-flavored rings. Not bad. Batman has no superpowers, but he probably has a portfolio bigger than... That is a superpower, man. Imagine the ups and downs in Gotham City being a multi-billionaire. Dude, corruption over there? God, man. How much money does he lose on a daily basis when the bad guys just start doing bad things? The only difference is, man, Batman can go fight the corruption. We just sit here and watch it happen. Literally no different than living in Gotham. Break's over. Gotta go. Have a great weekend, everybody. Moji, you too, man. Moji, thank you very much for being in here. And all of the funds. Moji, you're the man, dude. Piga Funt was honestly a tie. Oh, okay, I think good. Maybe. Maybe not. Nobody knows. Patrick, initial donation for the Clay Bro. Which exchange shall we bet on going down next fund? Oh, God. Oh, my gosh. Okay, we'll talk about that in 2 seconds here after I go. Danelle, thank you very much. We are having a fun day. Danelle, thank you very much for the fun times. I love it, Danelle. Carding! Why can't the market go up forever? Simple as that. You know what, man? I don't really know the answer to that. I think because it's based on buying and selling and supply and demand. And some people, they just want to sell when things are going wrong. The market theoretically could go up forever, okay? And here's the way you could get to something like that. It would be more or less based on not necessarily a pyramid-type scheme deal, but it would be a pyramid-type scheme deal where it's almost like the Social Security benefits that you get. You continue to pay into it, and you get some sort of a return for the growth that is generated there. The problem is that you've got idiots, just idiots, that go out there and risk that money, right? So the same way that people are concerned about Social Security ending one day because the government goes out and spends it and tries to get a return on that money and build up the country, right? That's basically what the government's trying to do. And then there's not enough money to go around. Social Security will be depleted because you got more people coming, and all this stuff that's going on with it. In the same way, these crypto exchanges are doing the same thing. They're going out there, they're getting everybody's funds that they're paying in, they're considering them loans, so they're taking them, they're going to try to create a return, and therefore they lose the money. If it was a situation where you knew you could never take out, but you were only going to be receiving a portion, at that point, that's the only way you guard yourself against the downside, is that there's only passive income being generated. It's not a buy-sell kind of a demand-driven market. It's a guaranteed market. I don't think that's the right answer, but I do think that's one way you could see no severe gains, but obviously no losses as well. Ryan, read my last comment, bro. Be forever corny. Ryan's last comment said Clay Bros, Fredo Michael Corleone to Fredo, you broke my heart. Fredo, I know it was you. You're still my brother. Take that, bro, Clay. I'm telling you right now, dude. Oh, God. It's bad, dude. It's bad. I know it is, Ryan. I know it's bad. But to talk about these exchanges really quick before somebody else sends a super chat and I get distracted again, I don't know exactly which one's going to be next, okay? We have seen stuff from Crypto.com come out this morning saying that you got nothing to worry about. Here's our reserves. We're sitting on $3 billion in reserves. You've got Coinbase making announcements this afternoon that says you've got nothing to worry about, okay? We don't lend your money out. We're highly regulated. I will say this. That's kind of scary. Crypto.com and Coinbase saying that you've got nothing to worry about is the exact same thing that Sam Bankman-Fried said about FTX US just yesterday, that they're 100% liquid, backed up one by one. And it's the exact same thing that the Voyager CEO tweeted out right before Voyager, hours before Voyager filed for bankruptcy and locked everybody's funds up. So I don't trust these CEOs. I think they're scammers too. To make sure that you're going to keep your crypto on their platform for just a little bit longer so they can milk a couple extra dollars out of you. Coinbase laying off another 60 people today. And they're in bad shape financially. Okay? Now, good news is if they truly aren't loaning our crypto out, we will be able to withdraw it. You won't have that problem where they halt withdrawals. However, if people do withdraw their crypto off of the Coinbase platform, Coinbase will not be able to continue running their business. They will not make the money that they need to support their overhead. They've got a lot of people to pay. That's why they're laying them off right now. If more and more people continue to leave, eventually, it's only going to be the CEO left. Everybody else has been fired. And I can guarantee you the CEO can't run that exchange. So there are risks for Coinbase and Crypto.com as well. And these withdrawals are a major risk for those platforms. They just want to look right now like they're invincible. Now, we've not seen anything that I have seen so far from KuCoin or Binance. I haven't seen them say anything yet. So I don't know if we should be a little less concerned about them or if we should be more concerned about them since they have not said anything. But I haven't seen anything from them, but Crypto.com and Coinbase I have. Carding! Thank you very much for the super chat. Carding says, Coinbase is next. The voices in my head told me. Dude, the voices in your head are probably more correct than the voice coming out of Coinbase's CEO's mouth. Like, no joke. No joke. I've seen it. Every CEO that says we are fine, don't worry about withdrawing your money, hours later, they stop you from withdrawing your money. Simple as that. I don't like it, but it is as simple as that. Nufo to Pluto. Ahoo, yes. Nufo to Pluto, baby. Nufo, are you in here? Have a good weekend, Danelle. Oh, man. Who's leaving, Danelle or Nufo? I don't even know. Is somebody leaving right now? Bronson literally just got it. Gosh, I have no idea what's going on. I did not see what Bronson said. Will crypto ever be protected? JJ. Let me answer that in 2 seconds. After I say, you either die. We got this, Ryan. JJ taught me how to do Batman. You either die a hero or live long enough to see yourself become the villain. Was it good? Ryan, was it good? You guys taught me how to do the Batman right there. You got to get the throat going. You got to get the throat going if you want to be the Batman. So does that make Batman the throat goat? If he really knows how to use his throat, does that make Batman the throat goat? I think. For Emma D, pick a power! Yes! Emma. What just fell? I feel like something fell right there. I didn't lose something out of this crown, right? Huh. I don't know. Oh, hold on. This is going to be the softest horn you guys ever saw. It's going to be the softest horn you guys ever saw. I got you. Pika, this is for you, Emma D. Yes, Pika, Emma, thank you guys very much. Super special. I'm super special, man. My mom tells me all the time that I'm special, so you guys can back off. I'm the most special one here. Crap, you're right. I just got it. I have no idea what's going on. I didn't get it. Wow, Batman and AirPods is legit. Guys, put your AirPods on. I'll do Batman for you. This is our chat, Neckbeard, not yours. J-Bones. It obviously is, because I have literally no idea what's going on between Emma D and Bronson and everybody else right now. I miss King Turkey eating a banana. You guys like the weirdest stuff, man. You like the weirdest stuff. Soft horn. I'm Rob, I'm telling you. It was very soft horn. Probably one of the softest horns you'll ever see. Pick any debt delivered by your hand is noble one, my queen. Oh God, you guys are awesome, man. If you live long enough, you will watch everything you've ever loved die or be. What is my dude here quoting? Twilight? What kind of a vampire are you, Tim? Hey, bro, check your email. My email? What for? Like my... For like an email you sent or for an email that Voyager sent? Carding! Thank you very much, Carding. Carding says, is the current crypto market a refutation of the totalitarian utopia of an unregulated financial market working? Is the state required? It's just Ponzi's. Oh my dear God. Okay, Carding, I think I can answer this question. In a potentially simple way, okay? This idea of this libertarian utopian of an unregulated financial market, that is not what we see in these centralized exchanges, okay? In a crypto utopia, the centralized exchanges would simply allow you to buy your cryptocurrency. That's it. You would just be allowed to buy it, okay? To have access to it. There would be no essentially trading your cryptocurrencies on these centralized exchanges. It would just be a store. You know, you can't go to Walmart right now and sell something to Walmart. You can only go to Walmart and buy it. So we need access points for this crypto to be here. At least if you're going to be purchasing it, you've got to get this crypto in some way. In a perfect crypto world, well, no, you would only be rewarded for mining crypto. So I guess in this perfect utopia, you would only gain your cryptocurrency through participation in the blockchain. So let's think about it that way. You know what? We're talking utopia here. So forget the centralized exchanges altogether. What you've got in the crypto space is literally you go buy your computer to mine it, man. That's where you're at. You go buy your cryptocurrency to mine it. I guess if you're going decentralized, then you need to stack up on some crypto first. That's where you can have your access point. And these centralized exchanges, it would be more of a peer-to-peer exchange in a crypto utopia, where you could just go out and buy your crypto from somebody else. But what like the shift from this reputation of the libertarian crypto utopia of unregulated financial markets working? No, they are not necessarily working, because this is not the crypto utopia. These are centralized exchanges taking your cryptocurrency and abusing your cryptocurrency. See, in a DeFi world, it would be slightly different, okay? Slightly different. And, oh gosh, now I'm going back on my argument here. I'm saying it would be slightly different because you would be the one in control of your funds, but then you run into DeFi staking platforms where you would essentially be providing them and loaning them your crypto based on very similar principles to what we're doing with centralized exchanges right now. Gosh. Okay. So let me say, to answer the quiz, this is a tough one, man. I'm sitting here debating myself on this. Is the state required? Gosh, I want to say no, but in order to alleviate the concerns of either centralized exchanges taking and doing what they want with your money, or decentralized staking pools from abusing your money and abusing your deposits, there would need to be some sort of an oversight to hold them accountable for that. And the only thing that you could do to protect yourself from that, if there was no regulation, is to not participate in the staking pools. Now, if you're not participating in the staking pools, you technically can't have proof of stake networks. So, in a crypto utopia, what you would essentially see is a Bitcoin. You'd see a Bitcoin, man, with no DeFi staking pools, or an old school Ethereum, where everything is proof of work and the transactions are confirmed simply by miners. Miners receive their rewards based on mining the cryptocurrency. That's very similar to a centralized exchange that only receives rewards and only receives payment based on transactional volume. So, yes, to some degree, either crypto needs to take a step back and kind of rethink the staking ideas and all of that, or rethink these centralized exchanges in a way that is either regulated by a state, okay, or is, they're not allowed to go out there, which would be regulation, and loan your crypto. So, dang, carding. This guy just made me debate. This dude just made me debate myself in front of everybody right now. Carding, it's a very good question, okay? I think a crypto utopia is just old school Bitcoin before all of this stuff evolved into what it is today. That's crypto utopia. That's how you clean it up, man. Ryan, thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it, dude. You're going to lose your voice doing Batman. I will never lose my voice. Never. Patrick, this is for Nufo. Nufo, you better be paying attention right now. I know I went on a little rant right there, but this is for you. Oh, Patrick. King Turkey eating a banana. Nufo. You got the King Turkey eating a banana right there. Patrick, man, thank you very much. Rob Not Bob, man, thank you very much for the popcorn. Loving it, guys. You guys are killing it today. Thank you very much, Rob, Patrick, and Ryan. Now I got to catch back up, guys. Sorry, that was a very long... Carding had me going. Carding had me going against myself there. Carding was pulling a devil's advocate, man, and making me think. I don't know what you guys are doing over here now, but Carding, dude, thank you very much. Crypto is a reaction to the mismanagement of fiat that is not necessarily a replacement, but can be a suitable alternative based on what particular free marketplace allows and parties agree to. Yeah, Patrick, exactly, man. But at the same time, you know, like, I think you guys can get what I'm saying, though. If there are unregulated staking pools, essentially those could just be scam pools, right? If you loaned out with literally no recourse for your money, $1 billion, the guy that you gave $1 billion to, and I could just, if you gave me $1 billion and I could just walk away with it, you guys literally couldn't do anything about it. That's dangerous, right? That's the dangers of DeFi staking. King Bottle. I don't know what the King Bottle is, man. Is this supposed to be a... Is that a baby? Is that supposed to be a baby bottle? I don't know what it's supposed to be, man. I think it's supposed to be a king baby. Outdo, bro. Thank you very much for the king baby. Chris! Oh, God, I don't even know if I want to read this message. Chris has been having fun all afternoon now. We got to see what Chris is up to. Chris might be in universe number 45 by now. Hello, everyone. Mistakenly late. I could see that happening. Dispensary trip went longer than I thought. Yes, it would. Feeling friggin' great. Nice, Chris. Been fighting a lot of idiot bears lately. Yeah, but we good, Holmes. Good deal. We're gonna be poo rich one day. Boom! We are gonna be poo rich one day. One day sooner than you expect. Chris, man, I absolutely hope. I hope so much that by 2030, okay, Chris is still gonna be a young man when 2030 rolls around. Chris is gonna be like my age when 2030 rolls around. And dude, I hope that Chris is sitting on some sort of like a $2.8 million portfolio because the dude was able to 1000x his investment. Because we get destroyed and the dude doesn't give up. He walks through the fire, comes out the other side with like a $2.3 million portfolio. Neckbeard, when will LUNC hit $1? Oh my gosh. They gotta burn 99% for Terra Luna Classic hit $1, dude. You gotta see 99% burns for Terra Luna Classic to hit $1. Either 99% burns in a decent bull market or like a revolution in the crypto space. One of those two things. So I do think it is possible for Terra Luna Classic to hit $1, but you gotta have those. You gotta have some stipulations in place. GDB. GDB, thank you very much for the super sticker, superhero. Patrick says, hey, no unauthorized hydration. Now drink. Oh, I will. Oh, that was so good, dude. That was so good. Oh my gosh, you guys have no idea how good water tastes when you just sit here and talk for an hour straight. The other one was like a little baby sip. It was just a little baby. That one wasn't real, but that one felt good, man. That one felt good. No, Simon, dude, I hope you're sitting on like a $45 million portfolio because you're old, man. You're old. Chris, dude, Chris is just going to be a young boy when 2030 comes around. There's 62 of you in here. I know for a fact you guys are all going to be successful if you just outlast it. The name of the game is just to keep showing up, man. The name of the game is just to keep showing up. That's the only thing you got to do is show up. If you guys can't even show up, this is not to be mean. If you can't show up, do you even deserve to be successful? If you can't even show up, if you can't even put forth a minimal effort, do you deserve it? That's the question. Carding, thank you very much for the super chat. Carding says, some say the only libertarian way of going with this is the hard way. The scams must crash and let them fall until a few honest exchanges remain up. Oh yeah, no, Carding, I completely agree with that, right? I have no problem. Here's the thing that I don't like about it, okay? You know, guys like you, guys like me, everybody in the chat right now, you've got money on these places, on these centralized exchanges, like Voyager. I got money locked up in Voyager, dude. And now, I don't even know if I'm going to see that money until 2023, 2024. Because if FTX goes under, who's going to buy Voyager? If Binance buys them, great, man. I would love it. If Coinbase comes in, but I don't think that they can, or they would have. That's the thing, man. That's the scary part right there, is that these scams are affecting you and me. I wouldn't care if these exchanges just go under and the people that work there just have to go find another job, right? That doesn't bother me at all. The part that bothers me is that there's billions of dollars tied up in these exchanges, and they don't care about us at all, man. Read my last comment, bro, Clay, aka God, this dude. My name is Clay. My name is Jeff. My name is Jeff. Where's Ryan's last comment? I gotta find this. This dude always tells me to read his last comment. It's like 45 comments prior. Charles Bronson was the hardest man. Ryan, is that your last one? Doing Batman is tougher than doing King Turkey. It was good, though, Claire. Well, thank you very much, Ryan. I think that was your last comment. Bronson is a tough man. Actually, I might have missed it, dude. If those weren't it, I might have missed it. Oh, is it this one? I'm not going to kill you. I want you to do me a favor. I want you to tell all your friends about me. Yes, man. The Batman is so good. The Batman is so good. No, the Batman's almost as good as the turkey. Michael! Fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump, baby Michael. Thank you very much for the fist bump. Absolutely loving it. Michael's the most consistent player in the game, if you guys did not know. Michael is definitely the most consistent player in the game. You have to learn failure before you learn to succeed. Michael Jordan just never said how much it sucked. Yeah, dude, that's right. That's right. You know, a lot of these guys out there that are successful, they have seen their amount of failures, but they did not give up doing it. Michael Jordan's a good example. The guy sucked at basketball, and then he was really good at basketball because he didn't give up. So you've got Michael Jordan as a good example of somebody who sucked at basketball, and he just kept going, and then he was good at basketball. The same way we could suck at investing if the market just continues to go down. One day we'll be good at it because the market will go up again. So, Chris, you're absolutely right, man. There you go, Declan. Maybe we should buy a Voyager. Clay, I'm at 80 million Shiba. Nice, Chris. Very good. I did miss that. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. Dude, it's 5:04. It's 5:04, man. What is this? Look at this. Look at this wild hair. I just saw this. There's wild hairs just coming out of here out of nowhere off the side of my head. Oh my goodness. Thinking I'm gonna go ride a Harley and see how much I can test my chances. Pudgy, don't test any chances, man. Guys, it is past 5 o'clock. I don't know what is going on, where the time went. But I do want to do some shout-outs. To get your name in the chat right now, we'll do some shout-outs. We're going to be back tonight, okay? 7 p.m., 8 p.m. with videos. Make sure to watch those videos. Appreciate every single one of you guys in advance. I know you're going to watch them. I know you're going to click that like button. All of that good stuff. Nonetheless, man, we'll do the shout-outs. We'll be back with those. Appreciate all of you. Keith, man, I hope Brittany has a great birthday tomorrow if you guys are still in here listening. And everybody else, enjoy your weekend. Absolutely love hanging out with you. The shout-outs begin, man. J-Bone, see you later, Pudgy. Bird's Eye View, see you later, Troll Bro, see ya. Newfo, Bird's Eye, Dark, J-Bones, not Dark Bro. Randman, Tim, Declan, Ryan, Notos, Randman, we got Rob, Not Bob, Genie B, Bird's Eye, Mr. Simonino, see you later, Patrick, Old Rounder, Declan, Tubes, David, we've got Newfo, Shiba, Inu, Pluto, Ahoo, Randman, J-Bones, Bronson, I don't know if AMC Trapper's in here, Crypto Rocketeer, baby, all of you guys, SD, anybody else, Pika Power, Danelle, if you guys are still in here listening, appreciate you guys, Carding, man, see you later, Bronson, Mr. Young Fargo, see ya, Rob Not Bob, Lorenzo, Simonino, Roulette Wheel, Bird's Eye, Mr. Simon, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, Matthew Dropko, say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you, Genie B, thank you very much for the super sticker. Genie B says, Genie B, thank you very much for the super sticker. Tim, there's no shame in getting knocked down. The shame is when you don't get back up. Keep your chin up. This too shall pass. Dang it, man. I love this good old man advice that Tim always comes in here with. Tim thinks he's going to be dead in like the next 10 years, but that's a lie. Tim, you're not going to be dead in the next 10 years. You're going to be shedding this wisdom on all of us for the next 10 years. and another 10 years beyond that. It is true. Tim is right, guys. Heed that advice right there. There's no shame in getting knocked down. We all get knocked down. You gotta get back up. You gotta keep playing the game, and you gotta keep moving forward. Very simple strategy that guarantees success. Tim, dude, thank you very much. Jeannie B, Matthew, Mr. Simon, J-Bones, Rodnut Bob, Ryan, Johnny, see you later, J-Bones, Mr. Simon. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.